How do you create a data dictionary for a client database? Have you ever wondered how to keep client information organized and easy to manage? Creating a data dictionary for a client database is a fantastic way to achieve that. Let's break down the steps to make this process simple and effective. First, you need to understand the purpose of your data dictionary. It serves as a centralized reference that describes each data element in your client database. This includes what the data means, its format, and how it is used. Start by defining which sections of your client database you want to include in this reference. Next, identify all the data elements you are using. Common fields might include client identification number, name, address, phone number, email, date of birth, and account status. Make a comprehensive list to ensure nothing is missed. Once you have your list, it's time to define each data element. For every field, provide specific details. Start with the attribute name, which is the exact name of the field in the database. Then, note the data type, which indicates the kind of data stored, such as text, integer, or date. You should also include the field size or length, which tells you the maximum number of characters or digits allowed. A clear description of what each data element represents is essential. Additionally, indicate whether the field is required or optional, meaning if it must have a value or can be left blank. Lastly, document any allowed values or constraints, like specific formats or value ranges. Another important step is to document relationships and dependencies between data elements. For example, if a client identification number links to orders or transactions, note this connection. This helps clarify how data is interrelated within your database. Establishing naming conventions and standards is also key. Consistent naming rules help avoid confusion. For instance, always use client identification number instead of mixing formats like cliented or idclient. This consistency makes database management easier. When it comes to organizing your data dictionary, a clear, tabular format or spreadsheet works best. Typical columns should include attribute name, data type, field size, description, required status, and any notes on constraints or usage. After you have compiled everything, it is crucial to review and validate your data dictionary. Collaborate with database administrators, IT personnel, and end users to ensure accuracy and completeness. This step is vital to reflect the actual structure and business rules of your client database. Finally, remember that a data dictionary is not a one-time project. It is a living document that needs to be maintained and updated regularly. As your client database evolves with new fields or changes, make sure to update the dictionary accordingly. For administrative professionals managing client databases, a well-maintained data dictionary is a clear guide for inputting, retrieving, and interpreting client information. This reduces errors, supports training for new team members, and improves communication between departments like sales, customer service, and IT. Creating a data dictionary for a client database involves collecting detailed metadata about each data element, organizing it clearly, and keeping it as a reference tool. This process supports data quality and efficient management of client information within your organization.